Hello everyone. Today I want to show you different aspects of the GraphTea and how it can help you to learn the graph theory or to help you with doing research on graph theory. So as you see, when you open the program, you already have an empty graph in front of you. You can just click on the white space to create some nodes, and then you just drag your mouse from one node to the other node to create edges between them. And you can select a node by clicking over it, and then its darker is selected, and then you just move the node, or you can select multiple nodes and edges altogether. You can change how your graph looks like. So here, when I open the properties, I can say this selected node should be red, this one should be yellow, and these two I want them to be cyan. So that's my graph now. And I can also say this one, because it's very special, should be a square. So that's it. There are a lot of options here. You can go through it and check how it can help you. And more than that, you can generate graphs. And there is all here, generate graph. So as you see, there's a lot of different categories of graphs that you might know already, some of them. Let's say the simple graph, a complete graph. I wanted a complete graph with maybe 6 vertices. Click, and then here it always gives you a hint. Please select the region to put the generated graph. So I just select this region, and that's my complete graph. Or let's make another graph. I want to make a banana tree, one of my favorite graphs. So here I say I want the n to be 3 and the k can be 4. Okay, and again select the region, click, and I have my banana tree, as you see. What else you can do is that I can apply some graph operators to it. So for example, I have this banana tree now. I can come here on the operators and say line graph. When I select line graph, it will create another graph which is made by application of the line graph operator to my graph. So if you don't know what line graph is a graph that for each edge there is a node and the edges are connected when, also the new nodes are connected when the edges had a common node. So you can see it graphically here. What does that mean? And what you can do, you can get some reports. So I have this new graph now. I can come to the reports, and these are all helping me having information about my graphs. For example, I want to check what would be the possible colorings of this new edge graph that I have. So I just click on all vertex colorings. It asks me from what do you want to start. I say 1. I just go on with it. Okay. And when it's complete, it shows me all the different colorings that are available. So when I click on it, I say, this is one of the colorings. This is one. This is one. It just shows me all of the combinations, as you can see. And there's a lot of different reports available also. For example, I want to find out, let's see, is the graph Eulerian? I click on it. No. Is Eulerian? No, it's not Eulerian. And if you are doing a research on graph theory and you are working on your own report, then you can easily add your report here, or you ask us to help you to add your report here, so you can test your what you are working on different graphs easily with a click of mouse. The other thing that you can do is you can run an algorithm on the graph, and here is also a lot of algorithms. Let's do a BFS algorithm. So here is my algorithm toolbar, and I can say play, and then you see what happens. So it says, please choose a vertex for the BFS algorithm. So let's start from here. I chose it, and then as you see, I can pause. It starts going through the vertices and visit them and explore them, and then I can run it step by step. So next step is here, on 16, then it comes here on 2, and so on. This is very helpful if for teachers who are teaching graph theory to a class, to really visualize how the algorithm works. And as you see, there is a lot of different algorithms here. You can check it out in the program. What else you can do is that you can visualize the graphs. For example, these are already visualized. I can come to this graph that we have. Let's say we make it a little bit more complicated, and then you want to see how should your graph look like. You come here and you can say, for example, local spring force. You run it, and then it makes a proper visualization of your graph, a visualization that is simple and understandable. Yeah, that's it. That's more or less what you can do with the GraphTea. There are, as you see, a lot of options here that you have to check for yourself and find out. A lot of the graph theory is really covered here. And yeah, we are looking forward to see you on the program. Bye bye.